And we are back. Welcome, welcome, guys. Time for the real deal. We're going to talk about charts. Most of you already tuned in to the weekly outlook, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, based on the weekly outlook, now it's of course game time. We're going to look at how we can actually execute based on the outlook, and we're going to do that a few different ways. The USD pairs looks very nice. I'm already in a position. I think Nasdaq is very promising. And the cool part is like, for now, what I hope to see on Nasdaq is the 10 a.m. to come back into this 4-hour busy. Be very nice. 4-hour busy or 1-hour busy. So these are my 2 point of interest for 10 a.m. To long from. What do you guys think about that idea about NQ? About longing from the 1 minute, or one, no 1 minute, no 1 hour busy or 4-hour busy. Of course, based on the coming 57 minutes, right? Because in this hour we can just dump down. Let's see what we did. At London. Here's London. Yeah, nice. And a little stair stepping up. I don't like the pricing too much here. Like nice for value cap here. 5 touches before going higher. Yeah, based on this pricing, I'll just say higher for NQ today. And the cool part is just go higher until you're taking some losses and you're like, okay, perhaps you're going lower right now. So it's all based on what we see on the current 1-hour candle. So let's see how this goes. We of course have the open in 25. And okay, nice, mToto. And yeah, in the meantime, how was your weekend, guys? What did you do? Let me know. Let me know. Did you do something exciting or studying or like? Tell me more. Tell me more. And yeah, tomorrow is finally the day. Finally the day that I'm going to put my face on camera. I was like, I'm not going to do it, and then I was like, okay, why not? Why not? Like after 40 plus episodes, I was like, okay, fuck this. Let's do it. Let's do it. So I think it's very funny to when you listen to someone, but you don't have a face with it. I think then you develop like for yourself like how that face will look like, and like 99% of the cases, that face and the voice do not match at all. So it's gonna be very funny tomorrow. It's on the last mentorship video, will be released at 5 a.m. EST, and it's only the intro. Only intro, and then I'm just going. I've recorded it like usual. Let me see. Let me see. Went to my grandma. She had a birthday. Congrats, Kiko. Congrats. Hosting family. Oh, that's lovely. Lovely. That's so nice. Decided to rest. All right. All right. Cool. Cool. Euro 2024. Oh yeah, it was so amazing. All the matches, like 3 out of 4 were like extra time. Some with penalties. It was amazing. And of course, Netherlands against Turkey. What a roller coaster was that? Like, oh, stress levels were high. But yeah, I'm honestly very happy. Like, I haven't told you guys this. Um, Before the match, I already bought tickets. So imagine a scenario where you have England and Switzerland against each other, and then Netherlands and Turkey. And I bought the tickets before that match already, anticipating Netherlands to win from Turkey, and England to win from Switzerland. But at the same time, I could just have bought tickets for Turkey, Switzerland if both Netherlands and England lost. So I was honestly very happy that Netherlands and England won, because now I have a nice match to watch. So watch your TV. Maybe you can recognize me after tomorrow. Maybe you see me wearing a nice orange T-shirt. I imagine you look like Tom OTE trader. I don't know how he looks like. I think he's Dutch as well. Or do you mean Tom Hoogard? Not sure. I don't know how the OTE trader looks like, to be honest. Let me see. Restful weekend, amazing backtesting, Brian. Well done, well done. And the rest, like there are more than 6 people here. If you like this kind of streams, of course, press the like button. Would be amazing. Yeah, voice and face throw up imaginary view. I love how you say that, Groove. Yeah, that's true. That's true. All right, so for DXY, we took Friday low. And let me see on Euro. We also took Friday high. GU took Friday high. Everyone, like the lows were taken in all pairs. Only only NCD didn't take out Friday. Already did it on Sunday. Yeah, okay. So let's see if my position reverses from here. The little scalp here. Let's see what it gives. I'm already break even. Would be a shame. Like, what is it? Like 2 points from TP, but it took liquidity here, so it took London high already. So it has some power to reverse back to the daily busy here. Oh, that's a shame. That's a shame. And probably I'm going to reverse my position if that happens. Like, for example, here, you see daily low taken. Right here, NFP low. Aggressive sells, aggressive buys. For value gap 2, definitely going to look for a nice long opportunity. Anticipating tomorrow high of the week. Hey, Silver Booty Trader, welcome back. About the 5-second exercise. No, you can have 5 seconds for every time frame. And if 10 seconds works for you as well, that's fine. But you need to train yourself to just look at the chart and you see, nah, this is not something I want to touch. Because if, like, that saves so much mental capacity. Because if you are on a higher time frame and you don't see anything, and if you are going to force yourself to execute on a lower time frame while the higher time frame is just crap, your lower time frame is going to be very frustrating. Lots of fake outs, lots of unexpected moves, because there's just no clear trend. Okay, nice little wick. I love that. I love that. Let's blow this 1-2 TP. Okay, well, wait for that. Maybe I'm going to leave this on for now, like this. Why do you think I took a position in this fair value gap here? Like TP or not? I don't care about the TP or not. Think about why would I take a trade here? What's up, sexy beast? Let's get it. Let's go, Taco Rain. Hey, David. Good morning. Avila says market maker buy model. Let me know in the chat, guys. I'm curious about your own analysis. Why you think this could be a nice, or maybe not a nice, long. I'm going to tell you in a second. Balance price range in the area. I like that. Boost your order book. Yes, yes. Combination of all. So it all starts with higher time frame order flow. Like, I don't actually want to short anything in this move until we reach a higher time frame liquidity pool. That's the daily high. So that's my higher time frame. Like I'm not going to short. I actually don't. And when you have the bullish bias on the lower time frame, how nice is it to see London, like this Sunday, London, aggressive sells, aggressive buys for value gap 1. Very nice, right? And then what happened here? Before I was watching the chart. We still have fair value gap 2 open here. Fair value gap 2 together with the order block here. And when I saw this trading lower, I was like, hey, this is interesting. Fair value gap 2 is still on the cards. And we left failure swings here. I like that. So then I was just waiting in this price action for displaced upwards, and we got it. And boom, higher. It's all based on how London traded. That's why I don't like to trade London. If you had traded this, very nice entry, not gonna lie, but you were probably really stressed out by this move, and maybe even just exit your trade because you thought maybe it was going to break even, or maybe you moved your stop loss already. So I really like this, and I think this is protected right now until we reach the high here. I think this is going to be a high today, somewhere here. So let me know what you think about the analysis. Like the same analysis, aggressive sells, aggressive buys for value gap 1, for value gap 2. Because for value gap 2 was kind of long to deliver, like it took like 3 hours to come back to it, I didn't take the entry immediately. Remember, I don't take the entry right here. Not immediately. Why? Here you are on the sell side of the curve to the buy side of the curve. Here you are again at the sell side of the curve. I don't want to buy the sell side of the curve. I want to see more. So here I saw nice for value gap, and then I was okay. This is probably going to hold. Yeah, this is the model of the this looks like 2022 prayer. Yeah, oh Pierre, sorry, Pierre. Okay, so let's see on the lower time frames if we can spot some other setups for today. Euro GBP has my attention. Why it has my attention? Weekly. All right, hold on. What I'm going to do, I'm going to connect to my mobile hotspot because my internet is shit. Because of that, we now have nice connection. So, okay. I'm back with the mobile hotspot. So let's see what we have right here. So weekly, internal to external, just like you saw during the weekly outlook. I think low-hanging fruit are these equal lows here. So that means on the 4-hour, I'm going to look for a market maker model. I really like this first for value gap. The second for value gap hasn't been traded into, but there is a for value gap here that's already being respected. So I don't need much actually to short this. In this piece of in this price, like there is not much. Like there's a nice breaker here. So I would just say follow the displacement right now. So if we have displacement from here, like on 5 minute, this look very nice well. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. For value gap 1, for value gap 2. Now we are in this for value gap. I would say we can see lower price very soon. Let's see how a trade like that would look like. Like this is the low-hanging fruit. Yeah, stop loss is not too great. It's a little small, like 5 points. I don't like. This is a scalp. You can get faked out by a trade like this. Also have this CB here, but I think it's definitely worth a shot. I took a little scalp. Let's see what we get there. And if I take a loss there, well, that's so fine. 4, 4. This is my entry. Stop is... Yeah, somewhere like this. So let's see. Let's see. So, like, I don't think this is the most high probability scalp, to be honest. But with the momentum, with the price action we saw already here, like, if price goes higher from here, we're probably going to rebalance this 4-hour Sibi before going lower. I really like the failure swings all here. There's so much money down here. That's the reason I'm down for a little scalp. But like on a scalp, the thing is, like, let's mark out that 4-hour Sibi I was talking about. Like, here we have a 4-hour Sibi. We respect that, like 2 times order block, very nice. This area is clear. Here we still have this 4-hour Sibi and this 4-hour Sibi. And because this is already respected, I see this green candle as an order block. So I don't need price to trade higher from here because it's already protected by its order block. And that's the question, okay, from that perspective, why is your stop loss above these highs? Because at the lower time frame, your value gap respected lower, making this an order block. Then price displays lower again, making this up close candle an order block. And now we are in that area with the order block and value gap all 5 minutes. There's lower time frame, but I think we can respect this to go lower. That's my thesis about the trade. Top-down analysis. Let me know in the chat what you guys think of that. Almost there. Okay, in the meantime, let's go over NQ. We have to open in 8 minutes. Still going higher. The pricing of NQ right now, look at the 5 minutes. It's just a little staircasing. It's not doing anything. Like, this is just not very nice price action. Small candles. So I think we'll see some nice... Like, what I want to see during the AM open is aggressive sells, aggressive buys. Like, volume. There's no volume here. Is there another 50 minutes for value gap created? Let's mark this out for point of interests. For me, it looks like a little bit late entry. Yeah, I agree. Like, again, I think the entry, like, we have on the 50 minute, we have nothing. On a 1 hour, we still have this for value gap to be touched. So again, if I get stopped out, probably this is the entry. I was like, let's try. And the reason I don't want to wait for the 1 hour Sibi to be filled is because of the structure here on the 5 minutes. I like that. So, but you guys are right. I can be wrong there. And then we're probably going to rebalance in the 50 minutes / 1 hour Sibi. And that's fine too. That's fine too. And this is what I love about you guys in chat. Like, yo, nice entry and all, but have you seen a 1 hour value gap? And that's cool. That's nice because you are training your own eyes to make your own decisions. And for example, here, Imantis, Scooby, you said, well, for me, for my trade plan, this is a too aggressive entry. And I agree, it is a very aggressive entry. So yeah, I like that. I like that. All right. Any pairs you guys want to discuss next to that? So I was doing that, but then I got distracted by by Euro GBP. Let's see. GU, AU can be nice longs as well. Your NCD pair is not going to touch until after rates. I don't care what they do. That remove this, by the way. No position in this, but I think AUD can be a nice short. Not today, to be honest. Don't like this price action too much. Nah. And I think the open will give some nice volatility in the market as well. UC Cat, no. Yeah, the cheese F pairs, ooh, they have my attention. Very nice price action. Wow. Okay. There could be an entry coming up for Euro GHF. Daily, aggressive sells, aggressive buys. Survival gap 1 has been touched. If we create like this survival gap 1 on the 1 hour. If you see survival gap 2 now as well, like this down close cannot an order block. So an entry around here. Let's see where low hanging fruit is. I would say it could be a very nice position trade. Maybe swing trade towards here. How many points is that? 120. That's the whole weekly range. I think it's the target for the weekly range if we expand from here. And then my stop will be at the bottom of this value gap. So if we have one more sweep of the lows here, we have, yeah, something like this. Let's see how this prints, but maybe at 10 a.m. I'm going to look at this. Iker says, look for Euro GBP. Not sure if you already tuned in, but I spent the last like couple minutes on Euro GBP. US 30, Roger, I'm not doing US 30. Okay. Like I honestly don't like US 30. Well, I say we're going higher, but that's for all the indices, and we're creating a nice BC there for our BC as well. Daily, the daily looks horrendous compared to the other indices. No, no. No. Iker, if you rewind this stream like 15 minutes or so from this point, you can see my whole Euro GBP analysis. The open in 2 minutes. Okay, where were we? GSF. So Euro GSF has my attention. GBP GSF as well. Wow. If I get here, it's going to move cleaner. Oh, look at this 5-minute market maker model, guys. Oh, so nice. This is the daily busy. Aggressive sells. London low of the day, probably low of the week. Aggressive buys. fair value gap 1, fair value gap 2, fair value gap 3, 4, 5. This is so clean. 6. Oh, it's like poetry. Watching poetry. So, yeah. Very nice movement here from... and EuroGTF kind of did the same. Where sells aggressive buys. So, let's watch this for the next coming hours. Alright, I was watching a message I got. I'm back right now. Let me see, let me see. Gold, okay. Gold you guys know from the weekly outlook, right? You know what I'm looking at? So, I have no interest in gold today. I would look for tomorrow. Is this SMT with silver valid? And do we disrespect this daily busy to go lower? Or are we respecting this busy to go higher? Today you don't know yet. So I'm a neutral on gold today. If you want to trade gold like scalping, do higher. Why? Because we're now in a bullish value gap. Ortho is bullish. But again, we just had the SMT, the highs here. So I'm neutral. Oh, we're still in that fair value gap. Oh, we have the open right now. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a nice last little push before going TP. What do you guys think about gold? Like, I love that you guys ask about gold all the time, but do you guys see higher or lower? I'm kind of in the middle right now. Nice. Look at this. Look at this. Aggressive sells. Aggressive sells at the open. No. Look at this fair value gap. Let's see how the bodies are closing. If we get aggressive sells, aggressive buys already, wow. That'll be actually insane. If we have that open push, like sometimes we have like a big push at the open, I'm of course not in. I'll be in later. Look at how nice rebalancing is. Let's see, let's see. Okay, higher gold. Okay, can be, can be. But we took Friday high now. I'm so curious about what NQ is going to do, honestly. But I'm gonna approach this as Reveal Gap 1 already. Because of the rebalancing from the 1 hour Reveal Gap. Well, this is clear. Nothing to see here. Okay, this looks like a nice initial reaction. Let's see if we can create a bearish value gap. That would be nice. So this cannot go lower, then do a nice rebalance and then go lower. What I also always need to do, you guys know that, looking for SMTs with ES. I'm gonna do that right now. ES is here. Okay, this is very different price actually, to be honest. SMT at the London lows. No SMT at the highs. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. We are closing a 4-hour Sibi right here. Oh, not quite, not quite. Almost. Yeah, this looks to me like a nice, yeah, like open volatility. I'm always just watching. Could be aggressive sells, aggressive buys. You never know. You never know. And together with that, like if you have very bullish bias, then of course a Monday lower is on the cards always. So if it goes lower, I'm just watching price today. Yeah, look at the first swings here. Yeah, probably going lower. So then we look at Survival Gap 1 right here for shorts. Aribam, I will look at this later. I'm just going to focus on NQ for now. So hold on, hold on. Okay, so we're reaching for value gap 1. If you would disrespect this would be your manipulation leg. Like that. Yeah, but it's too small for me, to be honest. Like, I'm not sure yet. And you guys know this, right? I have this every Monday. Every Monday I'm like, yeah, I'm bullish. Am I going to short this bullish price action? Like, what I rather like to do, that's more of my type with NQ, is sitting this out. So, like, honestly missing that move lower to then cash distribution move, just like last week. Remember last week? Where are we last week? Monday 1st. Here was that move lower during stream, Monday, July 1st. And I caught the move up right here, Tuesday. Also, this move up, I caught as well, but I got out break even here. No, not break even, little loss here. But this wick, and then I re-entered somewhere here, and then caught the whole move. So when I'm bullish, like I am this week, again, I honestly just want to sit out that black candle how painful it is, and then just watch the green candle print, which we might do already. That's a shame. We're so close. We're so close. Okay, so this is probably not going to be a win. This is creating a fair value gap right now. That's nice. Okay, fair value gap 1. Still respected. Want another rebalance from Euro GBP before going to the lows. If we don't get it, that's fine as well, of course. But and currently, like my Euro USD long is of course in contrast with my Euro GBP short, because here I'm shorting Euro basically, and here I'm longing Euro. But because I hope the weakness of DXY is so big, we're just going to go lower very soon. But yeah, if you don't get it, that's fine, and then I'll take a nice break even. Alright guys, again, if you like this stream, please like. If you haven't subscribed yet, yeah, you can do it on the bottom right corner, little red button. So you, and of course, press the notification bell so you don't miss any streams. The DXY is gaining strength after taking out the low here, the Friday low, the NFP low. And not trading my stop loss or anything, it's just now on break even since it's closed over there. This one is not on break even. On 1 hour on Q, we can still go back with that wick. Yeah, definitely. Like, you mean like with the, like if the body closes above here, we are good for longs. But then on the 1 hour, I want to see more. Like, I honestly don't like the correlation between ES and NAS right now. We have an SMT, so that's nice. And of course, I'm going to take longs because that's with the order flow. But I'm not too big of a fan of it, to be honest. Let's see if we disrespect this 5-minute value gap. Close above here, so we have a nice 5-minute order block. Here we're going lower. Chilling. And ES is currently the strongest, it looks like. And if you guys now are waiting for what I'm going to do, I'm waiting for value gaps. So you guys know it, for value gap 1, for value gap 2. We had aggressive sells already. But now I'm waiting for more aggressive buys. And aggressive buys are, you can see them following for value gaps. And 15 minutes before the 10 a.m. game starts. So we can already take a little small look at the... Like, we don't have any SMTs at the highs with the S. Both took out the high. Then the next question is, okay, where can the next 4-hour candle go? It's good to know that this is not the value gap yet. There's no point of interest. On a 4-hour, we already rebalanced this on Sunday. So I'm going to wait until 10 a.m. with this point of interest. If the body closes here on the top, I'm more towards longs. If it doesn't, I'm more towards shorts. And I need some more time for that to determine. Well, for value gap 1 is coming up for DXY. Let's see if we respect that. And based on what I'm seeing with ES, we can go higher. But again, waiting for value gaps. Go to the minis here. There we go. Wow, yes. Look at that, the difference. Like, this is not something I'm entering in. I never would. Okay, let's do a poll in the chat. Thank you, higher or lower 10 a.m. game, new 4-hour candle. I'm going to make a poll right now. I'm going to share it in the chat any second now. Okay. Let me know, guys. What you guys think? Interesting. 13 votes already. Can you guys see the results as well, by the way, of the poll, or am I the only one who can see this? Ooh, shorts are favored. Nice, nice. I love that. I love that. 11 minutes left. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so looks like we are respecting that for value gap. You see here. So that would mean lower prices for EU against my position. Yeah, that sucks, but that's part of the game. We'll probably get stopped out there. So sometimes you have that, right? You're almost at TP and then boom, it's against your position. The other one is going nicer. The Euro GBP from the start of the stream. Okay, we're displacing higher. Oh, you guys can see. Okay, nice. So 30 votes, 40 higher, 60 lower. And I see people, I think, have changed. I don't know if you can change, but when this candle came, many people were doing higher. Well, there we go. Trafalgar won. I agree with you there, CM, but the order block. Let's see what we do. We're not there yet. All right, Trafalgar 1 coming up. Well, with the displacement that already showed his hand a little bit. We have a breaker here as well. Up close candle, green one, order block. Okay, let's see what this candle does. If we displace over it, we have another order block and you're good to go. The entry will be somewhere like this. My target for this week is 21k, so let's see if we can get that. Sure. Below the 1 hour for value gap. But no entries yet, because we still need this down close candle to be respected. 6 minutes left. 5 minutes left before the new 1 hour candle. Going to end the poll right now. Nice one. Look at the candle on ES. Okay, hold on. Or on YM. I want to look at YM too much. Nice, nice. YM doing YM stuff. Yeah. I think YM is a very nice pair to trade, but I just cannot do it. I never did it. Like, yeah, of course I did it, but not very successfully. And I was like, NQ is so much nicer. Like, ES is your grandmother, just slow and boring. NQ is your lady. It moves very nice. And I think like YM is your retarded brother who makes stupid jokes all day and is so energetic all day. And yeah, I think that's the best scenario. And I like to dance with the lady. I don't want to play with my brother, to be honest, or sister, whatever you want to therefore. And it's cool, right? There's no entry yet. So for value gap 1 is still holding, right? Still holding. If you now displays higher with another value gap, it's game time. And it would line up very nice with the idea of the second value gap. But again, if we go lower here and we close lower than this for value gap, I'm going to look for shorts. I missed the photo. Oh yeah, wait. Let me pull this up. Hold on. Not sure if I'm gonna get like cancelled with copyrights because of this, but hold on. It's coming. It's coming. Let's play the 10 EM game. I want to play a game. There we go. There we go. So when we go higher, this low is the perfect low. I'm just going a little bit in between. Just under the value gap is fine for me. So let's see if we now can displace higher, or we're going to respect this 1 minute Cibi and go lower. Time will tell. Also, time will tell if you respect this bullish for value gap or bearish value gap to go lower, or we're just going to continue higher towards that 1 hour Cibi you guys were referring to on your GBP. So yeah, like it's a no news Monday, but I like the price action so far. We're not going trying to catch big moves, just small moves. Two minutes. Not sure what RTFL means. All right, 1 minute. And then we're gonna play a game. Needs to rebalance. Like this is not enough, to be honest. It needs one more push. Second tested for value gap, also on DXY. Like the thing is, I don't like this low, to be honest, these lows. But like bullish is bullish, of course, but let's see here. All right, 10 a.m. has started. We're gonna play a game, guys. Let's see, let's see. I'm waiting. Rolling on the floor laughing. Oh, nice, nice. I didn't know that one. Okay, well, um, interesting, interesting. Let's see what is 1 hour value. Oh, here. The 1 hour value gap is very close to my stop. Okay, we have the open, and how do we close? Yeah, it's so interesting pricing. Like the thing is, in general, we closed very nicely for bullish bias. But now, the new candle, of course, also need to play ball. But you can just go lower, of course. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Do what you want. I missed. Where are we? There we are. There we go. Yeah, it's a little playing here. There we go. So this one is disrespected, obviously. This for value gap 1. What would be very nice is like we have S&T at the lows here. That means like it was the manipulation move to go higher. Hmm. So if we now disrespect this and go higher, making this an order block combined with an SMT is very nice for higher prices. Would love to see that. And if you go lower, then that's fine as well. Currently framing two sides. Thank you, Avila, for reminding. Indeed. Pressing the like button is a little gesture, would mean the world to me. Absolutely. I like to see this, by the way. DXY, third time revisiting the fair value gap here and probably going to fill right now, going to the flat body low here. That would combine very nice with the TP on Euro US dollar. Let's see here. Yeah, I think we touched it. That is very nice. Yeah, it's good enough. Good enough. Many brokers is enough. So, okay, now we can go lower on that one. Market going sideways doesn't mean it will drop. No, just chilling. Just chilling. Like the thing waiting for value gaps, especially the second one, you know, then in this price action, you would have been faked out 2 times already. By this long idea and by this short idea. If you only target the first value gap. So just wait for the second one. I'm seeing what I'm currently seeing. SMT at the lows. See these lows. Wow. With the 10 a.m. candle opening lower to then go higher. That's what I'm currently seeing. But of course, we still have this bearish value gap that we need to disrespect. And we are at Monday with a bullish weekly bias. So that means Monday should go lower. Did we already take out London low? No. Okay. This is nice. See if we can create a bullish value gap. Let's make this a different color. This color is the... This is not a nice color. The 1 hour value gap. The 1 hour value gap is going to be pink. It's like a chupa chup lolly. Yeah, nice. S&T to lows for value gap 1, for value gap 2, and game time. Making this the manipulation move. Quite a big manipulation move. Aligns with the first as well. 140, 140 points for a Monday. Could be something. Could be something. Of course, not going to take an entry on the first value gap. I'm waiting for the second one, so somewhere up there. But this is nice because this down close candle is now an order block. If we close above it. So let's see how we now come back into this candle. If we respect it, then you probably will see higher prices. I like this. I'm going Let's see if I can do it on the other account as well. Like if one account is almost at... Doesn't get it here. I like this because we are probably having an order block here. I'm anticipating this to become an order block. All right, so this is it for the trades for today, guys. So let's see what we get. Let's see how it looks like on the 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, yeah. I really like the setup, to be honest. So let's see. That's weird. Only took it on one account. Yeah, very weird. Let's do it again. Okay, now it's good. Like the copy trade didn't work, so it only took on one account. So I didn't. I need to do it manually. So we are Monday, 10 a.m. game. We're opening lower. We had a fair value gap. We are still trading above that 1 hour fair value gap. So that means bullish. Order flow is very bullish. The only downside against our position is the fact that we have a Monday with a bullish bias. So that means Monday should go lower then. But yeah, price action now shows me that I probably want to see higher prices. So let's see what we get. And I was waiting. The boring parts. So disclaimer here again. You can lose money. Don't bet the farm on my trades. It's a Monday low probability scalp. Most Mondays I lose, but I just want to take a nice trade. Yada yada yada. Yeah, Monday can just be a nice sideways price action, and we're not make money today. That can be. That's the cool part about trading, guys. You never know. So just try to execute consistently and just see what the trading gods give you. I was just checking the YouTube channel. There are over 60 live streams already in the past couple of weeks, and I'm consistently executing exactly the same setup. And I think that should be also good for you guys to do. Because the thing is, like, if we're now going to stop loss, then I'm not going to lose a lot of money. I'm not going to blow any accounts or angry. Like, I can mitigate the risk. And if you cannot mitigate the risk, you should lower your risk. You're feeling anxious right now because we're already like 10 minutes around our break even. Also, lots of drawdown already. Just lower your risk and come back with lower risk. Until you're like, okay, nice, I can handle this risk and I'm okay with losing this amount of money. And then trading becomes fun because now I'm just, okay, let's see. Let's see what the trading gods give us. And if we just do a massive black candle towards the stop loss right now, I'm fine. Of course, I like winning, but you know what you're signed up for. NQ analysis, bro. I did it for the last hour, so please rewatch. Let's see what our best friend Euro is doing. Still chilling there. We're going lower from. Oh, this is a nice rebalancing. I like that. So now low hanging fruit is the weekly low right here. Right here, these lows. All right, we're going lower right now. All right, we're probably going lower now. So that's good to know. All right, here not all the contracts were taken out. I mean, that should be okay, guys. Yeah, there we go. So -1. I'll keep this on. Our best friend got us here. Can I recommend the best 3 prop firms according to me? FTMO's Manager Country. What's best to do, Aaron, is watch the most recent 2024 mentorship videos about prop firms. I will go over a website where you can see the recommended prop firms. Many new traders here with US 30. That's new in the chat. Interesting, interesting, interesting. So again, guys, took a loss here. And the cool part is, again, that is part of your trading. So don't be angry, don't be upset. You should lose to win. And I'm still fine. So yeah, that would mean that NQ is now going lower. Or we have that nice Monday consolidation profile like we have here. We see here buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity. If now we can have a little consolidation seek and destroy profile. And that's cool, right? Like, who cares? Actually, like, we took a loss here, but look how nice tomorrow is going to be. We are creating that Sibi right here. So we have something. No, that's ugly. I'm immediately going to remove this most ugly Sibi ever. Hold on, and it's a busy. Hold on, and gone. So what I mean for value gap, nice daily busy we're creating to go long from, or also do to short towards at London. So yeah, very excited for that. So and like you guys, I like this. Like we had a too good of a start, to be honest. When I started the streams like weeks ago, maybe a few months ago, I was in a winning streak of like 4 or 5 trades in a week were good. And then the expectation is like, okay, you can win every trade, but that's honestly not the case. I lose as well. So now at the last like 2 or 3 weeks, I have like 2 or 3 out of the 5 trades I take every day with the 10 game, and that's way more realistic. So I hope that makes sense to you guys that this is normal. Like you took a loss and now you're consolidating, and yeah. One of the main focus points of the mentorship is going to be to learn to lose. That's where most traders are limiting themselves. Amazing, David. David says, I'm still waiting. Yeah, and officially, like the thing is, the question, or what I also always mention is, do you exactly follow your trading plan? And what I didn't stick to all of my rules today. And I think you saw that. Like where my entry here was based on was we respecting this 1 hour for value gap. Let's go back before we saw that loss. Respecting the fair value gap on the 1 minute, fair value gap 1 basically. Respecting, so closing above the 1 hour fair value gap, anticipating that, and then closing above this order block. That was my entry based on. But if you follow the rules exactly, there in this price lag, there was no second fair value gap yet. I didn't want to wait for that. Because my entry was now based on what I just mentioned about closing above the 1 hour fair value gap probably, and closing above the order block right here. So the answer is no, and I got burned for that. Cool, right? And I'm not upset, because sometimes I don't use the second fair value gap. Sometimes I do. Yeah, part of the game. I hope that makes sense for you guys. So let's screenshot this for the journal. Little note with it, and you're good. So this little boy is also going on a journal. And I'm not going to re-enter. I'm just going to wait what price is going to do. It would be nice if now it's going up 100 points. Yeah, if it does, yeah, that's part of the game, and you're like, okay, tomorrow better. Right, guys. Any questions? It's going lower, so that means DXY is going higher. That lines up perfectly with what we have in store for there. It's going lower. I think it's just going to be sideways, and maybe we can see some high prices soon, but not yet. What do I think London close will bring? I don't think much for now. Based on the current pricing from the open, it's just consolidation profile. So there's not much to get here. So I'll be leaving the charts very soon because there's not much, like, if there's nothing to gain, I don't trade there. But it means I will be back tomorrow in London. With so many great opportunities coming up for London, so it doesn't make sense to bet the farm right now, to be honest. So tomorrow, let's dive into what I'm going to look at tomorrow. Tomorrow I want to see what we're going to do here. In the bissies. Bissy 1, Bissy 2, we have 3 bissies. See what we do there. Well, this is going to be break even. Let's see if this can be a TP. And yeah. So for tomorrow, I'll be looking at mainly for GU actually. It's very nice. I'll be looking at, let's see, Euro GSF. What's doing on the, we promised to look at this during the outlook. No value gap created here, but tomorrow probably we'll see a nice setup there. For the GSF pairs, I'll be looking for longs. Very nice this also for tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow long I will be definitely on the charts looking for some nice setups. And well, like, if you see this guys, I would wait. Sit this one out. I don't invest in stocks, David. So yeah, go do something fun with your life. Do what you like to do. But it shouldn't be trading right now. The indices. um, EU targeting shorts London low. What do you think? Let's see. Yeah, I think that's a good one. I think you can do that. You took liquidity, daily liquidity pool. We are still in this 1 hour busy, so not sure what we'll do there. Yeah, like I'm not touching these anymore. So, but if you think we can go lower, of course, take a bet. Um, Tomorrow London live stream. No tomorrow live stream, guys. I'll be traveling. I'll be at the charts, but I'll be traveling. So no stream on London. Just regular 9 a.m. Alright, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this stream. I'm going to log off for now. I'm going to finish tomorrow's video. Tomorrow 5 a.m. EST will be the video. Last video of the 2024 mentorship. Very exciting. Face reveal. And then 9 a.m. You know finally how my face looks like. And then we'll just continue with the live streams as usual. So if you like this kind of videos, guys, please like, subscribe, share it with all your trading friends. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let me know if you got some nice trades today in the TP Titans. And catch you guys later. See you. Bye-bye.